Hi everyone. Okay, so my Pipsticks came in. I'm so excited about this. So I have the kids one and the adult one. So I think they're all of it yummy, so I don't care. But let's open this one because I think this is the kids. Yeah, this is the kids club, kids sticker club. And then you get your little Pippy, your guide to Stickerland. So that's what's in this. This little, oh, look at how cute. And then you can color that, color the seal above. Oh, it's a little one. And you can put your stickers here. Don't let your kids waste stickers. Don't put them here. So, oh, so cute. Okay, let's get started. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I don't know where the sneaks would be on these, so I don't even know what's happening. So, let's see. Oh, come on, because I'm excited. Now, right off the bat, they put this cute one in here. Sorry guys, I have problems here. Let's see. Oh, I just messed that up. Okay, so let's try and get this on here like this. Oh, wow, these are such puffy stickers. Those are awesome puffy stickers. So let's see. Oh my gosh, childhood right here, you guys, childhood. You know what I should do is I should bring down my sticker book, except I have a lot of mementos up in our attic, and show you my sticker book I had as a kid. Oh my God, I still have it, and it's amazing, and I love it. So these we discovered the last 2 months is that you get 15 sheets. It's $19.25 a month, $19.25. And it is so worth it. So worth it. I love it. Like little mustache. You can put a mustache on your bear. And then the little onesie. Oh my goodness, how cute. I'm loving this, you guys. I'm going to move this book out of the way. That way we can see the stickers. Because I'm going to tell you what, the stickers are what make everything awesome. I'm sick, so hold on. Sorry. I get excited and then I end up choking, sorry. Light bulbs. And they're very, very reflective too. So I love that. Okay, calm down. Oh, and then look at the carnival. It's the, like Santa Cruz, the boardwalk. And these are all really reflective, you guys. So that is awesome. Oh, look at this one. The seal. Aww. Oh, I love that one. How cute is he? Oh, look at this one. It's a little one. It's the balloons. Look at this. How cute. Oops, sorry. I was looking at him. Oh my goodness. The strongest. Oh, look at the puppy. They have a puppy in there. Aw, that's so cute. And then we have this one. The carousel. Carousel little animals. Aw, that's the, like, where you hit it. Yeah, you hit it and then you can win a prize. This is the prize little games. Love it. Love it, love it. Alrighty. Aw, cotton candy, but in animal shapes. Aw. Then you have your fish, your bag of fish. And we have this one. Aw. Super cute. Very shiny. So shiny. Look at the roller skates. Aw. They're teeny tiny too, so perfect for PL. Sorry guys. And then, oh, look at those. Look at the little paddle. Oh, fun. Oh, I love this. Oh, and look at Scratch and Sniff. Oh, I can't. I can't smell. I lost my smell and it still hasn't come back. Sweet tooth, cotton candy. Oh, I love this. This is so fun. This one and the puffy one, oh my gosh. And then you always get a postcard. That's the postcard. You can color it. I should send it to my mom. I should color it and send it to my mom. Go here, momsies. So you get a postcard, and then you should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep, you still get 15. So awesome. And then never get rid of the bags because you can reuse them because they're not sealed. And then this peels off. So, and the bag is super cool. So, oh, look at the back. You got a gold in the back. Aw, that's awesome. Okay, and then let's open the adult one. Woohoo! This is the, what's it called? It's called a Pro Sticker Club. This is the classic. So they don't call it an adult. But, schematics. This is your little guide on this one. Have fun. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we get. You know what? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scooch it in instead. That should work out better, right? So let's see. Let's try this, okay, guys? Oh yeah, that's a little bit better. So let me scooch it out a little bit, right there. Okay, is that better, you guys? Oh, this is a cabin, and there's bunk beds. Oh, like summer camp. Hot dogs, marshmallows. That's super cute. Okay, and then you have vacate every day. Oh, I gotta choke. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Look at the luggage on the van. And then we have oh, look at the little tops, little shirts and like crop tops and shorts and suit yourself, it's called. How fun. I love that. So pick it up a little bit. Okay, I think that'll work, you guys. This is a sticker. Feline good. Oh, feline good. Oh, look at you guys. I finally did it right. Feline good. So it's supposed to be like feeling, right? So, oh, and then the little surfers. Aw. And they have bodacious chicks on here, which is nice. Then my favorite color is sunset. Oh, look at how bright these are. These are like a neon pink. Oh my gosh. Walking on sunshine, stay wild, ocean child, summer vibes. How fun. That is, I mean, look at how neon that is. That is amazing. Oh, and look at this one. I'm so hungry right now. I gotta go make my own darn dinner. I hate that. My husband's not home. He always makes my dinner when he's home, and now I have to suffer and make my own dang meal. What in the world? So I should just do hot dogs. Oh goodness. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, you see how, oh yeah, that's completely, you got yellow, pink, blue, green, purple. Oh, that's beautiful. Love that. Whoop. Sorry, husband's working. And then you have more camping. And you have the axe. So, my son, we always, you know, went to the flea market and he would see an axe or a sword, and we would buy it for him. And it was just like, my son's a little on the weird side. And so it was kind of funny in a way, because we were always like, oh good, we're buying him the weapons to kill us with. And it's like, maybe we shouldn't. And it's just a joke, you guys, okay? It's just a joke. But, you know, it was just so that every time I see an axe or something like that, I have a picture of him holding on to a skull and the axe. And I'm like, yeah, lovely. So every time I see an axe, I think of that moment of that we you know, enabling our son. So, but nothing ever happened, I promise. So, oh, these are mini little palm trees. Those look like cotton candy or ice cream. Those are little ice cream cones. So you have that. How cute. It's called Tropical Treasures. And oh, look at that one. That one is crazy. Look at how crazy this one is. Wow, love the colors. Wow. And then swimming with the fishes. Speaking of. So, oh, look at her pink hair. I love her pink hair. And look at the jellyfish and the tortoise. And that is awesome. Well, no, it's not a tortoise because a tortoise is land. So it's, right? Isn't a tortoise land? I don't know. Time for an adventure. Oh, look at the pink too. They have the pink in this one. Oh, I love it. And the gold and the black. Ooh, beautiful. All right, guys. $19.25 for each of those, which is not bad. I love it. So I love all of. I mean, look at how much you get. You get 30 stickers. 30 stickers and 2 postcards and 2 little booklets and yeah, $19.25. All right, guys. See y'all later. See you next month.